Okay, so the project now is to take this 59 Chevy truck that has been in the family since it was new. Just pulled a 283 and a 4-speed Muncie out of it that had been in it since '82 when me and my brother hot rodded it and did a bunch of street racing with it. So I'm gonna put a 6-cylinder back in it with a 3-speed overdrive, more like what it would have had. The motor I'm gonna use though is out of a 71 GMC. It's a 250 cubic inch versus a 235, which is what should have come in here, the 6-cylinder. But I'm not trying to make it concourse perfect. I just want it to be like it was when I learned to drive on this truck. When I was 9 years old, I learned to drive in this truck. So that's the plan. That motor's been in there since 1982. Me and my brother put it in there. It's a running son of a gun. Oh, all right. This engine came from a '64 Chevrolet station wagon that my parents bought brand new. So the motor's original owner and the truck is original owner family. So it was my mom's uncle's truck originally. So it's all in the family. Okay, so we got the 256 cylinder put down in the old truck. Going to need to get a clutch disc the proper size for this thing, and also a couple of motor mounts. But also the motor mounts will need to be shimmed up a little bit because the balancer on the front is rubbing on the cross member. So that's not a problem. It'd be super easy to put some spacing under those mounts and raise them up wherever I want them. So anyways, the motor's there, pulled the plugs, shot a bunch of WD-40 in there before I go to trying to crank it over a bunch in case there's rust or whatever in there. And I don't know, we'll see, you know, definitely we'll fire it up before I hook up much water or anything. I'll get it running and get it to fire up and make sure it's 100% or well, at least let's say make sure that it's good before I continue putting everything back together. So.